Okay, so a friend told me that I'd sound like this guy. I don't know who, but I forgot his name. This guy. So let's watch this video to find either battle. I'm not gonna talk. Right? I'm not talking in this video. I'm just gonna watch it. Let's see. Wait, I start back again.
You know where we at? It's prime time rapping. Let's go ahead and get into it. We got our challenger over here.
Yep. T-Bone 225, run my nap.
225? Is that an area code or something? Put that on the map quick.
Oh, shit.
T-Steak, let's go ahead and get into our main man, the champion himself. No need for introduction.
First of all, I'm not a rapper.
Let's go ahead and get into this little coin toss here. Good luck.
Hey,
About luck.
you know what I do? Heads.
Okay.
You know how I go?
Yep, tails.
Hey. I go first.
Yeah, but
Hey, tell him.
I want to talk. When it comes super hot, he goes first. What is this?
Check me out.
I'm checking.
Get it. I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's a number. Psych! That's the wrong number!
Hey, let's calm it down.
How does that make you feel?
Spit that.
Sweet dollar tea from McDonald's.
Yep.
I drink that. Super hot fire. I spit that. 2.5 men. I watched that. That show is hilarious though. Now hold it down.
Hey, it's the announcer.
I'm not a rapper. Alright, check me out. Glasses, jacket, shirt. Call me Glasses, jacket, and shirt man.
Call him that.
I'll call me super hot boy. 100 degrees, leather jacket. Cause I'm super hot, boy. I'm not a rapper. Super hot. I'm not a rapper.
Nice. All right. I'm sorry, I got lost in a train of thought of just all that goodness I just heard. Go ahead and get this crowd pumped up just a little bit more if you can, T-Steak.
T-Bone, man.
Yeah, T-Bone, get his name right.
T-Bone.
Yeah, okay. Who are you? Producer?
Is this who they put me up against? Super hot? I never heard of you. I'm looking at him like, is he stupid? I'm about to murder you. My crew ain't waiting for serving you. I'm like Shaq, I get foul and in his back he'll take 30. Shots! Your girl always confused my John with his spoon. Pops! Yeah, it's tall enough so she can ride. Knots! I got the tools, but for you I keep the merchandise up at the shops. They told me I had to battle. I'm like, is this who they set up? I'm like, nah, it can't be. This must be a setup.
Round two. You're done. Round two.
All right, go ahead and get into it, champion.
Look.
Pull on our pants for this one. Pull them up.
First of all, I'm not your friend, so stop looking at me. Second of all, I'm not a rapper, so stop rapping at me.
It happened, bro. It happened. Anyway.
Alright, check me out.
Hey, kill it off for me. Let's finish this.
I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Done. What career?
But I'm not a rapper.
What career?
Look. Boom. Bam. Bop. Bada bop. Boom. Pow.
So, I just said I was not gonna talk in the video.
This is prime time rapping. You see what
goes down. We're done here. It's a wrap. Champion.
So I'm gonna go eat.
that.
I'm gonna go eat. I have to eat.